Harrier GR7 is one of the RAF's frontline fighters. Flight Lt Dave Haines is the current display pilot. Learning to fly the Harrier is hard work, but what a job.
You start the course learning to fly helicopters. You spend 2 weeks flying helicopters at Shorbury, so you learn how to hover there first of all before you even get anywhere near a Harrier. The ground school's 2 weeks long. They do an awful lot of work in the mission simulator, and on computers they have computer-based training. So you spend a fair amount of portion before you even fly a Harrier. You spend maybe 4 weeks before you even touched one, and then from then on the pace is very, very intense. That, there's a lot of flying to do, a lot of studying to do. And obviously we have to commit everything to memory, so all your checks and everything you learn about how to fly the Harrier is committed to memory, so it's a pretty intensive course.
Dave agreed to take 3 of our cameras on board, and he's now going to talk us through his display.
Harrier, clear takeoff, clear display, 037, wind 020, less than 5.
Harrier, clear display. Just checking the engine now. Okay, IGV's good, good acceleration. Checking the nozzles, checking the flaps. That's all good. Welcome aboard this Harrier GR7 for this year's Shoreham Airshow. All power. Making 70 knots, gonna go, stowing, gear coming up. Time away, we've got 70 nozzle, 80 knots, 85 knots. Just keep climbing a bit so it looks level to the crowd. Gears come up. Just looking good for the crowd line. Bit more nozzle so we don't get too close to the crowd. Plenty of engine. Performance available. There's the crowd. There's a 100-metre line. We're not going to bust that. There's 210 feet. Slight descent to make it look level. Heading, looking for 325. So they are well inside the 230-metre line. It's a gear warning saying, why am I descending at such a slow speed? It's not a problem. Okay, we're starting nozzle out now. Looking for 325. There's 325. Okay, nozzle's fully aft, got full power. Get rid of our stall flap, looking for 230 knots. 230, pulling up. 35 degrees narrowbank, check, every roll. That's cool. There we are, about 2,000 feet. Okay, looking for the crowd line now. Setting up for an inverted pass. 3.5 G around the corner. Accelerating all the time. I'm looking for 500 feet. Check and roll. There we are, 500 feet, 420 knots. Going past the crowd. There's the railway and check. 5.5 G. Check and roll. Pulling back. It's 2,500. 400 knots, 5G, 6G there. Okay, looking for the line, don't need as much power here. Running in and up. And barrel rolling towards the crowd. Being a roll out at crowd centre. There we are, about there. And check. Aileron roll. And up, 5G. Check. Setting back up for the max rate turn. What full power for this one? 365 G, 370 knots. Just keep the G on, keep it nice and tight. And check in. There's the crowd. Roar! And back round. Plenty of G, 5.5, 6G. Climbing to make it look level. And then descending back down the other side. There's the college. Looking for 255. There we go. Check. Gee. Check. Oh. Back down. Okay, this is a 100-foot pass. Right out of the HUD. Go looking for 500 knots at least. Diving down. There's 100 feet. And check. And brake. 6.5 at least. There we go. Okay, we're looking to approach on the 110 heading. The centre of the crowd. It's about there. Bit of allowance for the wind. Bit of self-lapse of warning for the gear. Let's get rid of that. Thank you very much, we don't need that. Stop, stop, stop. Okay. There's the point I picked. Now decelerating. Descending all the while. There's the gear warning, not a major problem. There's 25 knots. Still coming down. There's water flowing there. And sailing into 150 feet. Gears coming down now. And at 160. Come to a stop, gears down. Right, we go right turn 293. There we go. Bit of power, gear coming up. There we go, and let's go up. Plug in for 40 degrees, nose up. There we go, power off. Gears come up, there's 1,000 feet. Okay, we're getting ready now for the nozzles to go fully forward. There they go, 98 degrees. And gears coming down now. Four greens. And caution's fine. Go 25 degrees, nose down. Okay, there's the bounce. Gear up. Brake stop. Water. Looking for 150 feet. 100 minimum. There's the 100. Come on, there we go. There's 100. Turn to stop. And let's move backwards. Bit of nozzle. Stop climb. Let's come back at about 15 knots. There we go, 13, 12, coming back okay, fuel warning's fine. I reckon I'm back crowd centre there. And there we are at stop. Hovering and turning, gear. Still level. And we've got four greens and braking stop. Okay, that's fine. And let's go sideways. Let's move back a bit towards the runway so we use a bit of nozzle. Engine's fine, fuel's fine. About 15 knots sideways. Okay, we're back on the central runway. We'll just keep on moving back, sideways. Okay, we're getting ready to stop now. There we are, plenty of fuel left, so let's go up. And let's do the 12. And now we're going down. Gear's definitely down. Got 50 knots. And landing is great. Flaps up, water's off, trims. Ladies and gentlemen, that was the GR7 display. Hope you enjoyed it.